how to use the move command. So you need to type move in your keyboard, then you hit enter. So after that, you have to select what you need to move and the whole object. After that, you need to hit enter in your keyboard. So after that, you can remove the object like this. So if you don't want to type move in your keyboard, you can access the move command in the home page. If you select this, you can access the move command like this. So this is the quick tutorial on how to move objects in AutoCAD.